Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, today we have Vikash here. He he had a great score in AMCAT. So, this will help a lot of opportunities for him. It will open up a lot of opportunities. Have a great score in AMCAT. So, let's hear from him itself the preparation strategy and the scores that he have obtained individually on every sections of the criteria. Okay. So, once again, Vikash, welcome here.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, all the
And
team of the online
congratulations
study
too
for you.
for it. Yeah, congratulations for obtaining this much score.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, so first I'll start like when you registered to the AMCAT and how do you prepare for that? How much duration you took and what are the materials that you, referred and everything? Could you please make it?
Yes, sure, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, in the month of February, I did register on the MCAT platform. And ma'am, I did take training from the online study for the math, aptitude, reasoning, and English as well as. And ma'am, I did follow all the material from the online study for you. And I did perform well in the all the section. Like I used to prepare in the daily basis, approximately 45 days I did prepare for the MCAT, and I was able to clear all the section very well.
Okay, so coming to the sections, what are the sections that you had and what are the scores that you obtained for the same?
Yes, ma'am. In the MCAT exam, there are different section. First one is the aptitude, and ma'am, in the aptitude, I did prepare from your channel and from Pratik Srivastava sir. I got 99 percentile in this aptitude. And yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And in the second one is the ma'am reasoning part. Also, ma'am, I did prepare from your channel, and I got 98 and 99 percentile in this section, in reasoning section. And the third one is the ma'am English, and English also I did prepare from your channel, and my score was not too much well, but 92 and 93 percentile, something like that. And another round was ma'am programming language, programming some question, basic question like you can say there is a option question. I did also 90 to 95 percentile, and also there are automata round. Also I was able to clear ma'am this round 70 to 90 percentile. I did score. So I ma'am got 8 certificate from the MCAT.
Okay, so overall percentage was mentioned there in the certificate?
No, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, I got for all the section you are selected for this, and I got a certificate from all the section.
Okay, so like when you came to know about the result, like which month and dates, do you remember the same?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I have no idea as exactly that, but after the 20 days, I got the result. After 20 days.
Okay, so it's been like a few months, right? You have attended it for the February, like it only 2-3 months before you got the result and everything, right?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Yeah. So do you got any call from any of the companies or something like that?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, I did apply from the MCAT platform. There are a lot of opportunity was coming, but ma'am, whenever I was applying, and they are giving the so you are shortlisted for this company, but they are not giving the any interview. Only shortlisted. Yes, ma'am. So I was very depressed when I will be in good place. I did prepare very hard, but I will not able to uh, giving any interview like that.
So you know anyone else who have appeared for AMCAT facing the same issue?
Yes, ma'am. They are not giving the any single company for the interview. Only are giving you are shortlisted for this company and nothing else. And after that, they are not giving the interview chance. Only giving the shortlisted. You are shortlisted. That's thing.
Okay, Vikash. So maybe like it's been 2-3 months. Obviously, some calls should come, but maybe some issues would have happened with them. So we can hope for the best. We can keep trying till that certificate or the score get expired. You can keep on trying. Maybe we don't know when it gets striked or when you get selected. So keep on trying, Vikash. So once you have a great score and you have a great knowledge by preparing for the same. So this will help you in one way or the other. Okay, don't worry at all. Don't worry in any of the sense. Okay, Vikash.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, so Vikash, this is all about, I think, anything else you want to add it up regarding the same, like how is the overall AMCAT examination structure? Is it easy? It is tough? And how much you have to prepare to crack the same? Something like that.
Actually, ma'am, level is very easy, ma'am. Not so much hard. Like if you are good in the 8th or 9th mathematics, you can prepare. You can perform very well. they are asking only simple question, not so much hard.
Okay,
And
so
your channel is also very good.
So you're just prepared in a
Totally
short
get
time,
prepared
like,
from.
yeah, 1 month or
Yes, ma'am.
something.
Yes, ma'am. It is sufficient enough for this.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Yes.
okay. So that's all. I think the complete journey for you getting high scores in AMCAT and getting shortlisted by so many other companies. Hope some of the companies will come up to you and you get bright opportunities ahead. So Vikash, don't worry. It's just a start. You have still a long way to go.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So
Thank you
all
from
the
the team
best.
of online study for you.
Sure,
Yes, thank you,
sure.
ma'am.
Welcome. All the best for your future and all the best for your success and congratulations for your success as well. So Vikash, we'll wind up today and we are in closing the session. So do you have anything to give a tip as something like that to add up to your content?
Yes, ma'am. I will give the one suggestion. If there are a lot of guys are seeing this video, if you are preparing for the any exam, you should work on the weak area. I will again say, because ma'am, if you are not good in the aptitude, reasoning, and English, then you should work on that. If you are not good in the programming, you should work on that. So that's from my side, and we should keep patience always.
Yeah, sure, Vikash. So all your words will help a lot of students who is watching this video just before the test that you're going to take or just before the interview they are going to attend. So these words will definitely help them and they will start with this. Okay, Vikash. So that's all. I think we can wrap it up.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, sure. So that's all, guys. If you have any further doubts regarding any of the things about the examination pattern or how to prepare and everything, or you would like to know about more things regarding the doubts regarding your career or anything, you can just drop it up in the comment section. We'll come up with that as well. So just see you in the comment section with all your queries done. We'll be looking forward to that. So until I come up with another video, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to online study for you.